Do you know how raw materials become useful products? The process of turning raw materials into useful items is a key part of how things are made that we use every day. Let's learn how this happens. This process is called manufacturing. Manufacturing means producing goods in large quantities, using machines or by hand. Factories and industries are the places where such production mainly takes place. Raw materials like cotton, wood, or iron are changed into finished products like clothes, furniture, or tools. For example, cotton from fields is spun and woven into cloth in factories. Manufacturing adds value to raw materials because it turns them into items that are more useful and needed by people. People pay more for finished products than for the raw material alone. Manufacturing provides jobs for many people. Workers are needed to operate machines, transport goods, and manage factories. This helps people earn money and support their families. Manufacturing supports agriculture by using farm products as raw materials. It also helps other industries, such as transportation and trade, by making goods that these industries need. Manufacturing is important for economic growth. When a country makes more goods, it earns more money, uses resources better, and becomes stronger and richer. Industries like textile and steel are examples of manufacturing industries. The textile industry makes fabric from fiber. The steel industry turns iron ore into strong metal, used in buildings and machines. Manufacturing is essential for a country's growth and development. It helps improve the standard of living by providing goods, jobs, and other benefits to society. Quick revision. Remember, manufacturing means producing goods in large quantities by turning raw materials into finished products. It is important as it creates jobs, supports industries, helps economic growth, and improves quality of life. Examples are textile and steel industries. Exam questions and answers. Question 1. What is manufacturing? It is the production of goods in large quantities by processing raw materials in factories or industries. Question 2. Why is manufacturing important? It adds value to materials, creates jobs for many people, and supports the economic growth of a country. Closing. Next, we will learn about the importance of manufacturing industries in more detail. Stay tuned as we explore more about how manufacturing shapes our lives.